simple, easy ring first. Then we go to make the small flower ring. Small flower ring, actually, it can make very fast. Yeah, I think 5 minutes I can finish it. So no problem. Here we're going to make a very easy ring. Here, this one. Very, very easy ring we're going to make. I'm sure even you never try handmade, you can do for new starter. So repeat the wire on the side stick here. This one. Here. We repeat like a spring here. Repeat like a spring. Thank you. So it's just here, and we can use the piece of the wire to make a loop at the top. This is the one that I posted tutorial on the page, just here, and repeat here. Next, by the wire 0.4. Cut just 15 centimeters is okay. This one. Then by this wire to wrap 1, 2, 3, 3 times wrap. Okay. Then come a beads in 3 millimeter. This one here tight, and we repeat the piece here. Also 1, 2, 3. Then next one, this beads. This ring, I'm sure even you never try handmade, you can finish, you can done. Okay. Okay, you see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Cut the wire both sides. You feel it's so easy and nice ring. I made this ring today, so quick but fun, right? Very easy and beautiful. Yeah, you can wear it match with some other metal ring. Then very easy and beautiful.